Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about 3x squared. This one that is about number 1. Because we don't have number 3 and number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change for u. 5x squared plus 1 dx we change for this one. Now we have the formula in here. So we put number 6 go in here. So we have number 6 plus 1, we have number 7. So number 3 and number 7, we have 21. About u, that is about this one. And this is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2, we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 plus cosine x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And this one we have negative sine x. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change for u. Sine x dx we change for negative du. And this one we apply the same formula in here. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.